Avoid operations in adverse weather conditions such as strong winds, rain, lightning, and heavy fog. 2. Obstacles during flight. Lifting rope and payload are not within the obstacle avoidance range, so ensure there are no obstacles along the flight path. During autoflight, if the destination point is higher than the current position, it will ascend along the terrain to above the destination point. If the destination point is lower than the current position, it will proceed to the destination point at the current altitude. Pay attention to obstacles along the flight path. 3. Takeoff and landing site. Choose an open region with no obstacles overhead as the takeoff and landing site. The unloading region should be equipped with barriers or warning signs to prevent non-staff from accidentally entering and causing injury. Personnel. Ground crew and pilots should wear safety helmets, reflective vests, and be equipped with walkie-talkies. Pilots should be certified to fly. Loading and unloading personnel should undergo pre-job training. Always maintain a safe distance of more than 6 meters from the aircraft and minimize close contact time with the aircraft. Device. 1. Aircraft inspection. Check the aircraft arms and payload clasps for any looseness before takeoff. 2. Lifting cable inspection. Check for wear on the lifting cable. If there is wear, it should be replaced immediately. The lifting cable should be around 10 meters long. If the cable is too short, it may swing violently and hit the body due to sudden stops. If the cable is too long, the payload will swing frequently, affecting the unloading progress. 3. Charging equipment inspection. When using charging equipment, an air-cooled heat sink should be used. 4. Payload inspection. The lifted payload should be securely tied to prevent it from falling during transport, which could pose a safety risk. Operational normal procedure. 1. Loading and unloading payload. When loading, personnel should avoid being directly underneath the aircraft. Do not drag or swing the lifting cable, as it may affect flight safety. After the aircraft reaches the destination point, manually lower the altitude. Once the cable touches the ground, the aircraft should continue to descend 5 meters, then move back 6 meters. At this point, staff can proceed with loading and unloading. 2. Overload and battery level. During lifting operations, the payload weight should be less than the maximum load to avoid overloading. Reserve enough safe battery level to avoid low battery transportation.